bad, but they needed painted and we were sick of painting. All of the windows except for the big picture window were double hung with storm windows. Now the picture window was in really bad shape, so it needed some attention. I don't know, pretty big chunk of glass that was double pane, and it had leaked so much in between that the dirt in between the two panes of glass, it did you absolutely no good to clean it because you couldn't clean it. And so we kept the curtains drawn on it most of the time because it was pretty disgusting. Our fascia and soffit was getting in pretty bad shape in a couple of places. We were looking around and saw some signs, and I asked a couple of friends that had them do some work, and everybody talked good of them. So 17 windows, a sliding patio door, and wrapped the fascia and soffit. Great. In fact, I would be out there picking up, and they were like, "That's our job." And I was like, "I got to do something. I'm not going to just stand here." So yeah, they did great on that part, all parts. The look is tremendous. Yeah, absolutely, I would. Great work. The price was right. We got other bids, and it was a third of what Renewal by Anderson was going to charge. A third as much.